Hey there folks, I'm Jason from Gumdrop, and this is the brand new DropTech HP Elitebook x360 1030 G3 case from Gumdrop Cases. The notebook features dual Thunderbolt ports for connectivity, a nano SIM slot, 4 premium Bang & Olufsen stereo speakers, a 13.3-inch LED touchscreen panel protected by Gorilla Glass 4, and a name that includes a seemingly unnecessary assortment of numbers and letters. Crams all of this cool stuff into a compact 12 by 8-inch frame, and if you drop it, some of that cool stuff could fall out. Gumdrop's protection solution? The DropTech HP Elitebook x360 1030 G3 case, a custom-molded 2-piece combination of shock-absorbing TPU and rigid polycarbonate designed to precisely hug the lean, mean lines of this powerhouse 2-in-1 machine. Its patented design features drop air cell corners that shield your device against the nastiest of falls, and its easy installation means you'll be ready for battle in under 20 seconds. The protection this case provides the Elitebook x360 is unlike any other. It's been mil-spec certified to protect the computer inside from not 1 or 2, but 26 different 4-foot drops. It's still slim enough to use with charging carts, and the clear top and bottom are asset tag and personalization friendly. It's even Prop 65 compliant, because at Gumdrop, we care about things like that. So if you'd like to try out our latest DropTech creation for your larger deployments, click on over to gumdropcases.com today and claim your free demo unit.